Your diet doesn't just fuel your body, it can also change how your medications work. Here are 5 simple nutrition tips doctors wish everyone knew, plus a few medication safety habits to keep you healthy. Top 5 Nutrition Tips. Tip 1. Stay hydrated. Water helps your body absorb nutrients and medications. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses a day. Tip 2. Eat more fiber. Fiber improves digestion and supports heart health. Add fruits, vegetables, oats, and beans to your daily meals. Tip 3. Balance your plate. Fill half your plate with vegetables, 1/4 with protein, and 1/4 with healthy carbs. Tip 4. Watch your sugar and salt intake. Excessive sugar or sodium can raise blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Tip 5. Don't skip meals. Eating regularly helps some medications work properly and reduces side effects. Part 2. Medication safety habits. Always check with your doctor or pharmacist before mixing foods and medications. Some foods, like grapefruit, can interfere with medications. Always ask before adding new foods to your diet. Take your medication at the same time every day for the best results. Always read the labels on your medications and foods carefully. Small changes can make a big difference. Eat well, stay consistent, and always stay informed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more easy health tips, and share it with someone you care about.